Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your photo in Lightroom. So guys, as you can see on the screen, so these are the two photos. So here you can see the photo before and the photo after. So I'll show you how to edit your photo as Moody Brown. So I'm Shafi, you're watching Shafi channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, so first go to Play Store and type Adobe Lightroom. So guys, you can find easily this app. So link will be in the description below. So do go and check it out. So guys, so after downloading the Lightroom app, open the gallery. So guys, after opening the gallery, tap on select your photo. So guys, now this is my photo, and after that tap on share button. So guys, tap on share button, and here you can see add to LR. So tap on it. So guys, after that here you can see adding photo to all photos album. And now you have to go open your Lightroom app, and after that select your photo. So guys, so now you have to observe carefully here. So guys, the first is you have to choose light. So tap on light, and now here you can see whatever I am doing, do like that here, same. So this is very important. So if you want, you can keep this video in slow motion and you can watch it. So it doesn't matter. So this is a very important step. So this is step number 1. So guys, after that tap on the temperature one and tap on mix, and after that now here you can see. So again observe this carefully here. So I am making some changes with the options called hue, saturation, and this element. So guys, no need to worry. So you can keep this video in slow motion and then you can watch carefully. So this is a step number 2, and this is a very important. So if you want to get this Moody Brown background, then this step is very important. And so guys, after that here you can see you can directly go back, and you can go back, and after that you can select your photo. So again after that hold your photo, and after that tap on save to device, and after tapping on the save to device you have to tap on highly availability quality, and now here you can see preparing. So it will take just 10 seconds. So it will take 7 to 10 seconds. So no need to worry, nothing is gonna happen. So guys, if you don't understand this video, so make sure that you watch this video again in slow motion so that you can understand clearly. And so guys, now I am going to show the photo. Okay, so Adobe Lightroom here. So guys, okay. So guys, this is a photo that we edited right now, and let me go to the details one time. So these are the details. So really are best photo editing app. So I hope you like it. So make sure that you share this video to everyone. So that's it in this video. I hope you like that. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video all. If you are in doubt, then comment me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Jai Hind.